Got a nice big package of wine from the distributor Wine Concepts in Portugal. Let's see what's inside. Okay, if you watch the show, you know that I love Portuguese wine, so let's see what's inside here. This looks like it's wrapped down pretty heavily. That was extremely difficult to unbox. That was one difficult unboxing. Some of these wines were wrapped up like they could explode. They could survive a bomb exploding or something. So there's some interesting selections here. For those of you that do watch us, you know that I love Portuguese wines. We go there once a year. I'd like to go there a little bit more. Last year I spent 2 weeks there and it was just phenomenal. Portugal is really a unique area because there's so many indigenous grapes being grown there, a wide variety of climates, there are a lot of traditions that are still alive there. I find it to be a fascinating country, and the people are just absolutely wonderful people. I remember talking to someone hungry about Portugal, and she said, I don't know what it must be. Is it because it's the oceans right there? That's why they're so open? We got a nice little selection here. So, a couple of things I'm looking forward to trying. The Quinta do Pinto. This is Petit, Verdot, and Alfrocheiro, which is a unique little blend. This is from the Lisboa region, right around Lisbon. We have this Pinot Noir. I believe I've tried this Pinot Noir before, a vintage of this from Casa, Casa Americo from the Jaen. I believe Jaen is the same grape as Mencia across the border in Spain. I have tried a couple of vintages of this Frei, the Frei Gigante, I think. And my Portuguese also terrible, from Pico, from the islands of Pico, volcanic islands off the coast of Portugal. Really excited to try that. Got a Vinho Verde and Alvarinho. Some interesting choices, a white from Bajada, a couple of wines made in Italia, Amphora. Yeah, so it's going to be some interesting stuff. Stay tuned. I'll have a tasting article, kind of a portfolio review of the wines from Wine Concepts. I met them, wonderful people. What I like about them is they distribute wines that are just really high value for money, high quality for not so much money. So tell me, do you guys like Portuguese wines? What regions do you like? What grapes do you like? Stay tuned to our page, our Facebook page, Exotic Wine Travel, and our YouTube channel, Exotic Wine Travel. I will see you guys soon.